Hi everybody, I'm Evolyn Brooks, and I'm so happy to be with you at the Essence Wellness House. As a Reiki practitioner, yoga teacher, award-winning TV producer, and breast cancer survivor, my intention today is to share 5 of my favorite healing and visualization tools that will help you shift your thoughts and energy from fear to fabulous. So what does it mean to shift a thought from fear to fabulous? It's being willing to make a commitment to reclaim our personal power and ownership of our thoughts, bodies, and spirits. The most powerful step we can take when we feel oppressed by fear is to love ourselves anyway. Love our hair anyway, love our skin anyway, love our life anyway. Acknowledge our fears and be fabulous anyway. What fear are you ready to release? Where in your body does that fear live so it can be released? We'll explore the answers to these questions and begin our shift from fear to fabulous with breath work and a body scan, visualizations, some interactive journaling, and we'll close with a self-Reiki meditation designed to help you activate your fabulous. So let's get started. So first, see yourself grounded and rooted in love, like the tallest green tree in the forest. Allow your eyes to softly close or remain open if you wish, and breathe in and out of your nose, imagining the fresh scent of clean air. And as you inhale, allow your belly to expand and bloom like the flower that you are. And as you exhale, close your petals and draw your navel back toward your spine. It's opening and closing like a flower. Inhale, exhale. And now with your eyes still closed, mentally scan your body. Where do you feel the emotion of fear? It could be a gathering of heavy emotion on your heart. It could be a knot in your stomach. Many of our deepest and most painful fears live in our bodies, creating stress, pain, and sometimes illness. So I invite you to place your hands on that part of your body where you feel that emotion of fear. Now envision this area of your body where the fear lives and surround it with a pink cloud of love. Give the fear a name. Gently call it out so that it may be released. What fear do you want to release today? Is it the fear of not enough? Say to yourself or out loud, I now release the fear of not enough. I release the fear of not enough money. I release the fear of not enough love. I release the fear of not enough work. Whatever that fear is for you now, release it. Type it in the chat or write it down. Release any person, place, or thing right now that makes you feel small. Now that you have named your fear, see a cloud of white light gently absorbing the energy of this fear and lifting it up and out of your body toward the sky where it is dissolved by the bright light of the sun, bringing the clarity of a new day. Now let's call forth the feeling of fabulous. Imagine the gold of abundance flowing around and through you. Fabulous is a rich way of being in the world that encourages your expansion and helps you feel worthy, grounded, free, and enough. So let's breathe in the light, the golden light of fabulous. Breathing in, breathing out fear, and allowing it to be transmuted and changed into the golden light of abundance that you so richly deserve. And when you're ready, open your eyes and feel the presence now of all that is good, all that is God. And know that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Now that we have worked on shifting a fearful thought, let's replace it with a fabulous new thought and action by creating an if-then statement so that our new belief shows up in our life as a more powerful choice. So I invite you to close your eyes and imagine that you are lying on a beautiful beach. A large book is lying on the sand nearby. You can pick it up. It's safe. It even has your name on it. Notice that when you try to turn the pages, there's only one chapter available to you, the present moment, the now. Notice that the page is blank because it's time to write a new story. Now look closer at the page. Your new story begins with these two words, if, then. An if-then statement means if we believe that we are fabulous, then we will take a specific action that makes it so. So I'll start, and then you can fill in the words that work for you. Okay, let's go. If I am fabulous, then I will let my light shine. If I am fabulous, then I will nurture my talents. If I am fabulous, then I will take time for self-care. If I am fabulous, then I will eat food that nourishes me. If I am fabulous, then I will let go of toxic relationships. If I am fabulous, then I will create financial and spiritual abundance in my life. Yes, 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 yes. Amazing. We've just learned our fourth tool to help us on our journey from fear to fabulous. Now let's affirm all that we have practiced. Let's light our inner fire, raise our personal frequency, and activate our intention to be fabulous with a short self-Reiki meditation. Reiki is a natural healing and relaxation method that has been cultivated in Japan and can be traced back to ancient Egypt. It can be applied by laying hands on or off the body or long distance. So let's make sure we're comfortable and available to listen and hear what our heart and soul wants to reveal in this moment. Now gently place your hands together in a prayer position in the middle of your chest, just below your chin. Breathe in and out. Giving thanks for this practice, our life, our families and friends, our Creator, Mother Nature, and our ancestors that guide us every day, and our willingness today to release unproductive fear from our lives. Now gently place your hands on top of your head, breathing in and out, breathing in and out, and then placing our hands over our heart and our throat. Breathing in and out, breathing in and out. So as we bring our meditation and practice to a close, seal your intention to be fabulous and fearless with a prayer from your own tradition, placing your arms around your body and giving yourself a nice big hug. And when you are ready, open your eyes and allow the vibration of this beautiful sound to recharge your spirit, and know in the deepest way that you are strong, powerful, seen, and fabulous. So now we have 5 wellness tools that you can use anytime to help you stay grounded in your purpose and affirm your God-given right to be fabulous and fearless, inside and out. Because who are you without your fear? You're fabulous. Amen, Ashe, and so it is. Thank you. I'm Evolyn Brooks of In My Solitude, LA. Until next time, I wish you love, luck, and grace.